Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the 2009 Abraham Lincoln Commemorative Proof Silver Dollar. And I purchased this off of eBay for about $32. I've removed the label, but I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to try to save the packaging. I like to try to save it, especially if it's nice like this one. Try to reuse it, which is probably what the seller did as well. So let me go ahead and open it and we'll get a quick look at the coin. Okay, so here we have it. Let me get it out of here. And there it is. There we have Abraham Lincoln Commemorative Silver Dollar. This is the outer sleeve. We can set that down. United States Mint. The nice blue box. And then we have the COA, which you can pause the video and read it if you'd like to see it more in detail. I'll set that down right here. And here's the box. Nice little velvet clamshell case. I can open it up. Oh, and there is the Abraham Lincoln 2009 Commemorative Proof Silver Dollar. Oh, that's nice. Let me see if I can get it a little closer. There we go. Very nice. Let me take it out of here. Okay, well, here's the coin. Finally able to get it out. I'll set this down here. We can put this like that. There we go. And there's the obverse. We have Abraham Lincoln. And this is a P mint mark, minted in Philadelphia. And on the reverse, we have the last 43 words of the Gettysburg Address. Very nice. Very nice. And I've previously done the unboxing of the uncirculated coin, which is this one right here. So look, I'll set a link to the video right here if you want to go ahead and watch that. So these are the two coins side by side, the uncirculated and the proof coins. And I will be doing an in-depth video on these, more than anything to talk about some of the history behind the Gettysburg Address and Abraham Lincoln himself. And I'm pretty excited about that video. I think it's going to be a fun one to do. And these are two, I really like the design, both on the obverse and the reverse. I got this coin here, this proof one, off of eBay for about $32, which I think was a pretty good deal. And so that's the coin. I really like the way it looks. I really like the design. I like the wreath. I like the words, just the layout, and I really like Abraham Lincoln here on the obverse. Okay, so that's the coin. Stay tuned for the more in-depth overview of the two coins, the two finishes, and some of the history. Oops, there we go. Some of the history of Abraham Lincoln and the Gettysburg Address. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.